5 kayong magbabarkada. Tapos yung 4, tamad. Guess what? Ikaw yung pang-5. Kahit gaano ka kasipag, kung nasa maling environment ka, mahihila ka pa rin pababa. Hindi lang skills ang magdadala ng success sa business. Minsan, ang mga taong kasama mo pa araw-araw. Start surround yourself with people who talk business, ideas, dreams, and goals because it brings good energy and it pushes you to grow more. So you need to cut the people na puro negative lang pinag-uusapan. Dahil nakaka-drain ang mga ganyang tao and it makes you also hateful towards others. Pero kapag kasama mo yung mga taong may same goal sa iyo, mga taong hungry for growth, hustlers, and also dreamers, iba talaga yung mga energy, di ba? Nagkakahawaan kayo ng discipline, ng ideas, at also ng confidence. At the end of the day, guys, the people you chose to be with is either fueling your fire or putting it out. Surround yourself with people na tutulungan kang umangat, hindi yung hihilain ka pababa.